Myanmar, located in the northwestern corner of Southeast Asia, occupies a unique position as a bridge between South and Southeast Asia. Yangon, the country's largest city and economic hub, channels the movement of people and trade across the nation. Its ferries and bustling streets reflect the city's dynamic energy and constant evolution. Once a crucial administrative center under British rule, Yangon still bears the architectural imprint of its colonial past. Since gaining independence in 1948, Myanmar has experienced numerous social and political transformations, shaping the country's present landscape. Myanmar is home to over 135 officially recognized ethnic groups, creating a vibrant cultural mosaic. According to the World Bank, as of 2023, its per capita GDP is approximately $1,300 US. Economic growth remains slow compared to other Southeast Asian nations, while infrastructure and environmental conditions continue to require improvement. As the train leaves the bustling city for the countryside, the contrast in pace and scenery is remarkable. Rural life unfolds at a gentler tempo, transporting passengers into a different realm. Rural life is simple, yet profoundly connected to the land. For locals, forests and fields are not just surroundings. They sustain livelihoods, shape traditions, and pass down knowledge through generations. Schools are the foundation of the community where children grow and learn in this land. Education is essential for development, while healthy forests and sustainable livelihoods inspire hope for the future. Local communities maintain a deep connection to their surrounding environment. Walking alongside them offers insight into the land's ecological patterns and the evolving state of the forests. Their knowledge and lived experience provide invaluable perspectives on the region's past and present, ensuring that sustainability efforts align with local ecological needs. This land is undergoing transformation through international cooperation, the infusion of technology and funding, and community involvement in forest management. The relationships between forests, land, and local communities continue to evolve, adapting to changing environmental and social needs. As understanding of the local ecology deepens, new opportunities for sustainable development emerge.